This is a different kind of greeting today. We already are on the elephants. There's strangers up there. There's our rider person. Then we're on our elephant. There's Abby and Demery. Say hi.
Hi.
Demery, close your legs. Demery's legs are wide open to the video.
Okay. See you soon. I don't know if you can see, but look at all those elephants. So right now we have changed from an elephant to an ox. You can see right there. We're in a little hut. Here, we sit. Now we're on a bamboo raft. We fed the elephants. The only reason why I'm not showing my face this video is because, you know, I look pretty ratchet today.
I didn't video because I
Look,
wanted to see.
what happened during
What'd you do?
feeding.
Oh my god. Demery slid and fell
Yeah.
when she was feeding him.
Yeah, I was getting the bamboo from the water. Not this water, but like there's a stream
Yeah.
so they can drink, and then I fell.
Oh, okay. Well, we'll see you maybe in the car, still on the
Do I
raft.
look ratchet?
You look pretty good. How do I look?
Pretty sweaty.
Yeah, I got really sweaty. You ever want to see me look sweaty? There you go. Well, finished, and now we might be going to see the monkeys. I'm not sure. And so
We are going back to our hotel and going in pool. It's too hot.